it's me and welcome back to another video. Now today we are going to be opening... Hi Hartley. Don't sniff the camera. We are going to be opening the Modulus, well, Nerf Strike Modulus thingy. Regulator. Okay, so now we're gonna open it. Okay, so we just gotta, one sec guys. I got a piece out of it. Okay, getting this. My dog is like sniffing it. This is mods and stuff, Hartley. Oh, yeah, don't lick me, Hartley. This is what they're doing so far. We ripped it. So yeah, guys. If you guys have the Nerf regulator, definitely comment down below. So yeah. Okay. So, super blurry. Super zoomed in. Okay, guys. Back. Got this portion done. Now we just need to break this joint right there and probably one right here and here. Okay, I will speed through this.